Hello guys, today I will show you how to get free Discord bot hosting. We have started a free Discord bot hosting. Go and join the Discord server and check the bot hosting channel, then make a buy ticket in the tickets channel. Enter your desired email and password. Wait for staff to respond and give you the panel link. Open the link. Open your server. Upload files for your bot. Start the server and enjoy. Bye.